I really liked how the lectures were structured. So both these brief introductions about the main concepts and then the programming part. I think that the examples were very nicely set up. Also how the codes, the notebooks were structured. They were very clear, and it was immediately clear what one had to do. And I really like the progression of the tasks. So starting from something very simple, like setting up the simplest network with just few layers, and then going towards more complicated structures, and even some structures that you couldn't really program yourself in a few minutes, but had to be imported from somewhere else, and one had to understand um, what he or she had to load.
Enable AI. Master your data.